Hello YouTube, what's up my friends, Moody's here, and today we are not gonna unbox a mouse or a keyboard, but it's a mouse pad. This one is really special. I saw it online and I decided to buy it and unbox it with all of you simply because it's a medical one. It's anti-stain, it's not gonna get dirty really fast like the rest of the mice pads. It has a very nice design and it's anti-microbal, so it's not gonna get more bacteria on it, and it's very comfortable for those who are graphic designers, video editors, those gamers who are spending very long time holding their mice and it's really hurting their wrist and making blood flow way harder. So this is really a great deal for me as well, my friends, because I'm scrolling and using my mouse for hours and hours continuously. So let's just get into unboxing it right away. Check this out, it looks really nice. A premium packaging for a mouse pad. I'm always used to ruining the packages. Nothing else inside. It is not gonna slide left or right on your disc because it's very annoying. When you are playing games you want just the mouse to move, not the pad itself. Nice. Check this shiny surface. It's not gonna move on your disc. Can't wait to use it. Obviously it's a little smaller than the usual ones, and it's a little thick as well. Very hefty. It's not lightweight. It's not meant to be moving around anyway. It will stay still on your disc. And here is how it looks when you are using your mice on it. It feels really nice. It feels very comfortable. I'm gonna be using it with my MX Anywhere 2, which is relatively smaller than most bigger mice, gaming mice. So it's gonna be doing great because this mouse is very precise and I won't need a bigger surface for it anyway. It's moving very smooth. As always, that was it my friends. This is my new mouse pad from Promate AccuTrack. It's gonna be a comforting experience using my mouse on it for a long period of time. Thank you so much for watching my friends. Please don't forget to hit thumbs up if you like the video, and for sure subscribe for more. That would be so much helpful. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Peace.